Living is an art, is a technique, is a skill. Here is a knowledge, which is a manual of living.
Vedanta equips you with the knowledge to make the right choice of action.
On the auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, we pay our homage to the galaxy of sages and saints who has left us the knowledge of Vedanta.